Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I just got this in the mail, literally, well, I should say UPS. So I'm going to just open this up. And what is it gonna be? This is gonna be the Unihertz Jelly Pro phone. And it's literally just gonna be an unboxing. So here's the box. It's pretty small. And let's open it up. So I'm assuming this is like all the paper that it comes with, the paper crap, some crap about how to do a refund, return or repair. There's some instructions, like a user guide on how to use it. Put that on the side, and here's the phone. Oh my god, this is so small. Wow. So let's see what else the box comes with. It looks like it comes with a little screen protector. And then micro USB cord. I'm assuming this is the charger. Yeah, it's a micro USB. And then I'm assuming this is for putting on the screen protector. So I'm just gonna stick this back in here, and then we're gonna power it on. Turning on, it says Unihertz, powered by Android. Wow, this is like really tiny. I'm gonna peel this off while it's turning on. Looks like it has like a little home button right here. You can feel it like vibrate when you touch it. So here's the phone, powered on. Looks like it has, so this is the power button, the charger, and then I'm assuming this is for the volume up and volume down. It looks like there is a headphone jack right here. And then here's the camera. And then the camera on the front. The sensitivity is pretty good with this. So anyways, it's just an unboxing for this jelly phone. Kind of looks like a sidekick.